Are you tired of tedious meal prep? Introducing the Hamilton Beach Food Processor. This powerful kitchen companion makes cooking faster and easier. With a limited time deal, snag it now for $54.95, a 21% savings from the list price of $69.95. Over 9,000 satisfied buyers this month can't be wrong. This food processor features a built-in bowl scraper. It saves time by scraping ingredients without pausing your process. Move the scraper from side to side while mixing for perfect consistency. It's designed with 2 versatile attachments. You can slice, shred, chop, mix, and puree with ease. The included stainless steel slicing disc and chopping blade ensure versatility. Powered by a robust 450-watt motor, it tackles tough ingredients. Make healthy salads or delicious homemade salsa effortlessly. Spend less time processing and more time enjoying. Enjoy precise control with 2 speeds plus pulse. High speed handles more robust recipes, while low speed is perfect for delicate foods. With a generous 10-cup bowl capacity, prepare large volumes at once. The large feed chute cuts down on pre-cutting efforts. Cleaning is a breeze. All removable parts are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free for your peace of mind. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this food processor is built to last. Remember, fast delivery is available across all 50 US states. Order today and have it at your doorstep in no time. Check out the product link in the description below. If you purchase through it, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps the channel grow. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your feedback inspires us to continuously bring you the best reviews and deals every week. We're truly grateful for your continued support